Okay, so today I'm in Chimbote on the coast of Peru, and we're heading back into the mountains. Today should be a pretty crazy day. I don't really know what to expect. The road looks all windy and jiggy and curves like crazy. I wanted to take the Canyon del Pato, but it's closed due to landslides. So we're gonna go up into the mountains, and then I'm gonna backtrack a little bit to do the part of the canyon that I can. Let's go. All right, well, what a ride. It's a lot more than I expected today. It's a lot more than I expected today, but just incredible. The road's incredible, a little challenging at times with the sand. Riding through little towns, the mountains. I didn't really stop because I'm a little worried about time. And we're outside about 4,000 meters, and I can definitely feel it coming from sea level up to 4,000. I can definitely feel it. Looks like we're at the top in a little plateau or a valley or whatever. Obviously you don't see the mountains dropping away, but really high, and we just start going straight down, I think down to about 2,000 meters. So looking forward to getting down. And yeah, but check this out. Really cool. It's like a mountain plateau at 4,000 meters. All right, let's get back down into Caraz.